Total how many classes completed? 4, right? 4 or 5? 4. Okay. So all the 4 classes we have completed here, order to cash cycle, right? Okay. Now the next one here is internal sales order. This is the one here. In O2C cycle, what are the steps you have followed? One is order entry, correct? Whenever you get a sales order, we have to create a order entry. Then after that, we'll have to book it. Then next one is, yeah, before delivering, we have to pick up, right? So then next one is pick release. So from which warehouse you have picked up here? M1, correct? So let's say there is no stock in M1. Okay, then you should not lose customer, right? So we have to get it from other warehouse. So M1, M2 is our company warehouse only. In one branch there is a shortage, then we have to get it from other branch. That's it. So that is called as an internal sales order. Internally, we are getting the goods from another warehouse. So are you okay with this line? Internal sales order means what it is? Internally, within a company, you are getting the goods from other warehouse. If your company is having 10 branches, if in one branch, if there is no stock, we have to get it from other branch simply. So concept wise, it is just one line, but it will take 1 hour actually. So we need to know the complete steps. Okay. So first step here is, yeah. So first step here is item creation. Okay. So you people are feeling that backend is difficult. So backend here is like you need to know the table names. See, only 3 things here: table names, and then primary key, then joins. These 3 you should know. Okay, you are not going to design any tables. You are not going to identify anything here. So backend is very easy. Just see in this flow. If you feel backend is difficult, we'll have other session also. Okay. So first is item creation. So items we can create into one module here. That is inventory module. So if I ask you to repeat, then only you have to repeat because it is a recording session, right? So otherwise you will feel that it is a chorus kind of thing. So inventory, then items and master items. So V1 is the master organization I'm taking. And then let's say it is ISO 123. So it is a temporary item. We used ISO. ISO is an internal sales order. Okay. Now, right now we are using 2 warehouses, correct? One is M1 and M2. We created in V1, but we have to give assignment here. So that assignment we can do it through organization assignment. And then usually instead of going down like this, it's difficult for you. Okay. So what you have to do, press F11 here. Then only put M only, and you will be able to identify by pressing Control F11. See, at the bottom also you have to observe everything screen what's happening here. So we entered a query. This called as a query. Then what is saying here? Control F11. So press. Then check the checkbox here. If you want to do it for 100, then there will be another API will be there that we'll see. Okay, later. So because we cannot go like this, these are all manually. So that is the reason why some API is there. Through PLSQL, we can enable all the checkboxes. So that you will come to know slowly. Now go back here. This one. Now this item, you would like to use it into order management here. Inventory is integrated with many modules like WIP, process manufacturing, and these are all like purchasing module. These are all the modules actually. If you want, inventory is the heart for your manufacturing organization. So right now I'm using order management here. In the order management, this item must be a shippable item. Then only we can ship from M2 to M1. Okay, we are shipping right now M2 to M1. So to ship it, definitely we have to use this checkbox. And then customer must order here. Internal orders it is. So these checkboxes and all we have to enable. So to do that, what we can do, we can inherit all these properties by using this finished good item. Okay. See, all the checkboxes got enabled automatically. Then save. Now here, three sub steps I have followed. What are they? One is item creation. Then second one is organization, assignment. And third one here is copy from template. Okay, these are all the three sub steps we can say. So if you want to do it again, we can do very quickly. We can do, see, ISO 999. So same thing you can copy paste if you want. Save. Then next is here what we did, organization assignment. Go to tools and organization assignment. So here I cannot go down like this. If you take Amazon, they will have n number of warehouses, right? So they cannot go like this. Any manufacturing company, if it is having 300 branches, how we can go like this? It is difficult. So definitely what we need to do, press F11, then M percentile, yeah, M capital we have to enter. Control F11. Then we need to assign this. Save. The next step is what it is. Copy from template. Why we need to copy is we'll have to enable the attributes. We don't know what to enable and all. Okay. So to do that, what we can do for easy access, finish it good. There are many attributes. Okay. These are all many attributes are there. Planning item. Every model will have its own significance. In P2O model, some attributes will enable. In planning item, some attributes will be enabled, like that it is. So we don't know the functionality. So depth functionality is required to know all this. This is for fixed asset group, and this is for different something else, and this is for bills of material. So each and every module for purchase order, then we can see one template like that. Module to module it will vary. So right now, forget about all this. We have to remember only finished goods means manufacturing is completed. That's why it is a finished good. Apply, then done. Save. So is it okay now? All the three steps. Revision is also over. Now come to here. So again, remember backend is not that much difficult in this. So we should know the table name. To know the table name, we have to go here, record history. So this is the table. But straight away, it is not a table. It's a view actually. So copy this. Now go to Toad here. Press F4. So it is saying it's a view. It's not a table. But in the front end, they are saying it is a table. They have mentioned as under a table it is, but it's not a table. It's a view. So view is built on multiple tables with multiple joins. Just you will have to describe this. Then come down. These are all the tables. In the from class, whatever mentioned, that is a table. It's TL for translatable language. So right now user language is English like this. If you are using TL, definitely this condition is also you need to use. So Oracle applications for Arabic language, Spanish language, for all the recognized languages it is. So, and this is the B for base table here. So this you can take it. And the primary key is also they have mentioned here, inventory item ID and then organization ID. These two are the primary keys. If more than one primary key, that is called as a composite primary key it is. Now this table we have to use. If we press F4, again it's a view. There is a hash symbol here. That's a edition based views actually. You can come down here. These are all the permissions. So they have given a grant access on this particular table to so and so modules. These are all the various modules are there. Forget about all this. So we need to know about only this table. Press F4. Yeah, this is the final table. On a table, they created a view. On this view also, another view is created. Okay. So finally, what is the table name for this? Items? Correct. MTL means what it is? Material. System items P. Okay, then primary key. So primary key we have seen already. Correct? Two primary keys, right? Still, if you are having a doubt, then we have a website here. So now onwards, you should not say backend is difficult. Okay, we will go slowly. So your version, how to find out which version you are working? So there is a table name. Do you remember the table name? V dollar version is for database. Correct? V dollar version. See, this is the database version. You know, right now, what is the running database in the industry, not in the Oracle Labs? In the industry, which database version is working? Database versions, you don't know Oracle database versions? Right now it is 12C, okay?
12C.
Sorry? Can you repeat again?
It's 12C, sir, actually.
Oh, right now 12C, I'm saying. But so you can go with the Oracle database version, the latest versions. Check. The latest version is what it is, but 21C I cannot use it here because Oracle Apps is built based on 12C only. So there are various versions here, 12 to 8. And see application version, you can find it out. FND. FND means foundation. It is product groups. Is 1220. Okay. But in the industry, like some products they have released very recently. Oracle Labs R12 recent release. But you will not be able to get practice versions. Okay. These are all released by Oracle, but to utilize it, it will take time. So you should not say like we are using very older version. No. 12 to 11 is the latest version it is. And we are using right now 12 to 0. Only slight differences will be there. Almost all the tables, application, functionality, everything is same only. Only few changes. If you wanted to know whenever you feel bored, so you can just read this article, new feature, innovation and updates and all. Read this. Definitely will come to know. But it will not impact our regular work. Okay. Now come here. So we are talking about here version. Version is what it is? 1220. Now come to ETRM. 1220. 0 is not there, but 1222 we can. Only two. There is a slight variation between 1211 and 1222. Okay. That's why they made these differences. 1222. These are all the, you can download also in locally, but it's difficult to maintain all this because diagrams, representations, difficult it is. FND data dictionary. You have to search all the module, your module name. This is the module name it is. Inventory. And in inventory itself, 284 module are there, but hardly will use 10. I'll tell you what are the 10 we'll use. 284, even I am not aware. So if you wanted to know, you can come here. So these are all the 280, but no one will use these many tables. So right now, but all are useful only. But whenever we require only common tables, you should know. MTL system. So these are all. So TL is there. These are all the various table extensions here. So I'm using MTL system items B. So this is where they are mentioned here. Inventory item ID, other one is organization ID. So come here. So primary keys are two. Tell me what are they? Inventory item ID. Right, organization ID. So if one table is having more than one primary key, that's called as a it's a terminology, okay? So Oracle terminology, I'm just telling you. Now joins, whenever there is another table comes up, we'll see joins, okay? So are you okay with this first step, item creation? Now, if you want to transfer from M2 to M1, in M2 there should have we should have a quantity, okay? Quantity for this particular item, whatever you created. Then only we can get it. So that's called as a on-hand quantity creation. Where exactly we have to create on-hand quantity, M2 or M1 or V1? There should not be a confusion here. From where you are transferring right now? M2. So this is arrow mark, remember. So definitely you need to create in M2 only. Okay. Take this item. Then straight away, if you go like this, definitely you may do like this. Even I also did like that. So right now you are in V1. No, we need to change that organization. So there is a change organization. So change to where? M2, correct. Now if we go here, this is a revision of last class only, right? So tell me same steps we have to follow. Right now we are in M2. So which one I should select here? Miscellaneous receipt. Then your item, your sub inventory, your item. Yeah, stores, FGI, FGI I'm taking. Okay, finished goods inventory it is. Anything okay? You no need to go with the FGI only. Anything you can select it. Then quantity. Let's say 400 quantity I'm entering. But there must be a stock available in the company. Okay, you should not enter wrong entry here. Just press M and tap. Okay, it will take automatically. If you wanted to know what it means, these are all. This is called as a KFF, key flex field it is. Okay, KFF. These are all the terminology you must remember. Key flex fields. Flexible fields are, these are all around 30 segments we can see in this. But right now only 5 segments they have used. You can use 30 segments also. That's the maximum limit it is. Then save. Okay. So after creating, you will not be able to see any records in this. To see the records, we have to go here on hand availability and then on hand quantity. Your item, then find availability. You will be able to see here your quantity, whatever you created in this. Now this information is stored in another table, that is MTL on hand quantities, where your primary key we don't know, so we'll get it. MTL items B. Your item number is stored in here. So maintain gap here between statement to statement. If you don't give a gap, it will give error like this. See, statement to statement, you have to give a gap like this. Now it is giving. Okay. Take this inventory item ID. Here is the place one column is there. That is transaction quantity. This is the column. You can just type it transaction quantity. Transaction quantity is what it is. In our terminology, it is on hand quantity. Okay. So this is called as a join here, inventory item ID. If you want to combine these two now, so what we can do, take this table name. I'm combining multiple tables here. Put comma. You have to alias name. So MSI or only item also you can take. This is your own terminology, but usually people will follow the same so that they will not feel difficulty while reviewing your code. MOQ, join condition. So that's what I'm talking about here. You need to know the join. Usually primary keys only, we can use it as a joins here. Tell me the join condition here. This one. Inventory, item ID. Equivalent to like this. Okay, and your column name will be your transaction quantity. Why it is showing 3 records? Because organization ID also join is required. We missed it. MSI dot organization ID. MOQ. 2 primary keys are there. Right? You missed one primary key. That's why it is perfect. If you don't give this, it is giving wrong data. Okay. So definitely 2 joins. If you are using item means you have to use 2 joins. Clear? And how to format this query? Shift control. Format means F. F means format. That's it. Like this. Now this is called as a backend. Okay. Backend means just joining tables with the joins. You have to practice repetitively. Then only it will come. So this is a query for on-hand quantity. Is that clear? Second point. Now third, shipping network we have to use. Shipping network means like there should be a point of contact to receive the goods from M2 to M1. So M1, M2 they are sending the goods. In M1 there must be a point of contact to receive the goods. So that is called as a shipping network. So to do a shipping network, there is a setup here required. Go to setup organizations, then shipping network it is. Okay, this is called as a navigation here. See, setup organization shipping networks. Now click on already there it is. Okay, you don't need to do. I'm just showing you. Oracle has taken, but in the organization, if it comes, you have to do it. How to do it here is simply F. You are from organization to organization, save it. That's it. No additional step. So M2 to M1, just can you just check? It's there, right? It's already there. If it's not there, adding is not a big deal, right? And one more is interlocation transit time here. So this will give you your find you have to use we find then origin from where exactly you are transferring M2. M2 to M1. This is just a overnight air method. United Parcel Service. These are all courier companies. Okay. So how are you transferring the goods and how much is the capacity? How much is the tonnage? These are all you can see in this. It's a shipping method it is. Okay. So after shipping network, one more step is that is you can see so location, interlocation, transit times. Fifth step here is item cost creation. These are all the setups only. Okay. We'll call it as a functional setups. If all steps are good, then only you can usually work on flow here. So that's why I'm telling all this. Item cost creation. To create a cost, we can go to cost here, item costs, click on new, your item number. Is that correct or wrong? No entries. Maybe that costing flag is not enabled in this. Anyway, there is no much dependency. Yeah, I will go back to item. Costing is enabled already. Let me see again. Item costs. We'll give another template. Okay. Just change the template here. Inventory. Yeah, we are in inventory only. We're just changing organization. So we are in inventory only. Anyway, there is no much dependency on this. We'll see later for next item. Sixth one here is define internal customer. Who is customer in this? Who is supplier? If we go here, from where are you supplying? AM2. It's called as a internal supplier. We are supplying goods, and here we are receiving. Correct? That's called as a internal customer. Okay, this customer location must be defined. Then only they will receive the goods. Now go to customers. We can say into AR module. That's called as a receivables. Click on receivables. Just check customers. Where are they? Customers. You see, right? Customers. Customers. I'm taking one existing customer here. That is Vision. You can follow your own method also. No worries. Click on go here. There is a Vision. Click on this. And you can check here. Seattle location is for M1. So this one. Click on this. Country is different. Business purposes. Shipping location. So this is different here. See, EM1 it is. It's for maintenance. It is. No, this is not correct. I'm going back again. Sites are different here. To check Seattle where it is, line by line. This is the one we have seen already. And this one we did not see, correct? This is D2 Seattle Distribution Center. Earlier maintenance, now distribution. Wrong. Go to next 10 records. This one we'll see. Yeah, this is the correct one. So your warehouse name here is M1 and your location name is Seattle. The name of the warehouse it is Seattle Manufacturing. Okay. And your internal company, internal organization is Seattle Manufacturing. It's already there. Okay. You are not doing anything. Only just need to know the navigation. Just again, I'll show you. Go to go back. I'm just going back here. Just close window better. Okay. Create or maintain customers. Then after that, only one customer you take it. Don't go with another your own customers. If you go with another own customers, you have to define all the locations, bill to ship to. These are all time consumption. So click on this vision and next page. And here is the place, Seattle. Click on this details and then business purposes tab here. The business purposes, we have two locations here. One is bill to, other one is ship to. We have to select here. We are talking about shipping only, right? Shipping goods. So click on details. This is the one. Okay. So it's already defined here. So are you okay with this? Internal customer. In which module you have seen? AR. Customer is the that's a function. Form function it is. So module name is account receivables. AR module. As of now, we were in inventory module, but we changed to account receivable. Okay. So next seventh step here is this is the last step we'll see in the functional setup part, not a flow. Flow will be very easy, just 5 minute job. Okay. Seventh step here is if we go to order management. Whenever you are creating a sales order, some values are defaultingly populated. You just check here, see order type. The moment I take a customer here, do you see here order type is defaultly populated. So how many types of sales orders we have? These many types are there. Contract type, dropship type, bill only, like that. These are all the different order types we have. Standard order. Through website also we'll get a sales orders, right? And training orders, like that it is. So this order type you have to fix it by default. So for that there is a navigation. Now I'm moving to purchase order module. Purchase order. Then here is the place setup, organizations, purchasing options. So these are all you need to habituate. So at least each flow you have to practice 5 to 10 times based on your knowledge. Okay. So all fixed values here. Your order type is what it is right now. Mixed. If you want to change it, there is a symbol here. See, you can change it. No worries. But usually mixed is the sales order. Will take it. So these are all the various values. So many orders are this many. They will ask you to select any one year. Okay. Let it be mixed only here. And your source here is internal order. So there are one is null value, other one is internal. In case of a internal sales order, you can take internal. If it is not an internal sales order, you can go with the null value. Okay, this is a null value. See, nothing. So right now internal. So these two values we have to select here. Internal source requisition order type is what it is? Mixed sales order, and source is internal. So now flow steps are next steps are flow. These are all functional steps only. So if all the values are readily available, then you can easily work on the flow. So shall we revise all this just for revision? Okay. The first item creation. So totally how many modules we have seen here? Inventory we have seen, order management we went, account receivable we went, and other one is PO. Four modules as of now we have seen. So first item creation. I'll just quickly show you the navigations. First item creation that you know very well. Inventory, items and master items. Clear? Only navigations we'll see. Then second one is on-hand quantity. So where to do on-hand quantity? Before doing it, I told you one option that is change organization. Then miscellaneous transactions and miscellaneous transaction. Here is the place we have selected here. Miscellaneous receipt. Then after that, given item and quantity. Okay. Next, what it is? Shipping network. Shipping network navigation here in inventory only. Setup. Usually functional steps comes under setup only. These are all the transaction related. Setup, then organizations. Then we have to use where it is here, right? Shipping network means just transferring from one place to other place like that. Next is interlocation. That is where it is. That is here only, just little below. Just shipping method it is. So how are you transferring? See, this is through rail that they are transferring, and this is through flight. Just method it is. Overnight air. Next, cost creation. Cost we missed it. We'll do okay. So cost we can do it here. Cost and item costs. New. Just you can give your IS 4999, right? I don't know why it is not showing. Yeah, pricing is that is for selling price actually. Okay. This is for purchasing it is. Now internal customer. Internal customer you can do into another module that is receivables. Go here. Here is the place. Customers and maintain customers. So that is open in another tab. Okay. Just notice it. It's not a form. It's a page. See, you may not see here. It is open in another page. It is. What else? Internal requisition order type and source. Which module we have to go? The module is PO. So navigation. Go to purchasing operations. Then straight away you can go to setup. One more organizations, and other one is purchasing options. So these are all already there. It is okay. Guys, online whoever listening, can you respond? So are you okay with the steps? Manohar, Vinchana,
Yes, sir.
are you okay with all the steps which we covered? Vinchana,
Yes, sir. I'm good.
Rajasekhar, are you following? Vijaya, you can ask me anytime, okay? Doubts.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, we are unable to hear you, sir.
Sir, your voice is not audible. Sir, voice is not audible, sir. Response only. Three, four members.
Since I need to select. Okay. Search. So here, what should I select? Order management suite. Suite means different modules in that only. Order management suite. The next. Yeah, product is what it is. Then interface type. Here, check the list. None of the same. Open interface, correct. So these three values. Click and go. Then order management, sales order open interface. So this is a program name. Program name is what it is? Order import. Are you okay with this step? Order import. Now interface tables I told you. Here. OE, headers I face all, OE, lines I face all. These two tables. So these two tables only I typed here in the here. Okay. Before creating a sales order, the data will be available in this table so that we can validate whether it is correctly suitable to create a sales order or not. That's called as a validations. So right now order import we are using. If you run an order import, what it will do? It will pick the data from these tables and it will create a sales order. Now I am going back to order management. Program name. Which program I need to submit now? Order import, correct? So order import. Operating unit name. Which operating unit you are working right now? Vision. Right. Order source. What you defined in this? Correct. Order source. Correct. So that's why setups required. Okay. Go with the internal. Then order reference. On which requisition you are creating? What's your requisition number? Did you note it down somewhere here? Or something. Okay. Or 6418, right? So I'm just noting down here. Otherwise, I'll miss it. I copied, but I missed it. If you click on this, it will give you all the eligible requisitions. So you have to search what is your requisition number. Correct. The rest of the things you ignore it. No need to do anything. Okay. Click on OK, then submit. No, fine. Just 5 more minutes. I close this class. Okay. Almost done. What is the purpose of this program? Order import. Other place. Okay. One place means here what? No. Not inventory. From OE address IFAS all lines IFAS all to your order management tables. What are order management base tables? Right. So simply in one line we can say it is to create sales order automatically. Purpose of order import is what it is? Just to create sales orders. That's it. Automatically. In normal orders, you created sales order manually, right? But here automatically you are doing. Through order import, we can create thousands of lakhs of sales orders also. Okay. Right now, only one order we are creating. If your company is having third party system, if they are having 1 lakh sales orders or 1 lakh sales orders, we can import it easily. Maybe in 10 minutes, 1 hour, whatever. Yeah, it's completed. Okay. We output. So check anything here. This is what it is. In order reference place, requisition header ID, it's taking here. Okay. Order number is not given here. Anything. So to identify the order, so these 3 programs not ours. Okay. It's a server, right? Some other people are working. Go to order returns, order organizer it is. In the last class, we have seen sales order, right? Right now, order organizer. So your order source, what is the source we have selected? Order source. Right, correct. Order source is what it is? Okay, all are related, okay? You should not lose your concentration. Order source reference, what you gave? Right, 16418. Right. This is the sales order created by your system. See, it is not under control now. We cannot modify this because it is automatically created sales order. It's not a manual sales order. And can you guess what will be the line level status after booking? See, booked also over. Right, awaiting shipping. Correct. If you go here, check what is the status. Correct. Right. So 2 steps over it is. After order import, what is happened here? Order entry is over. Booking is also over. We can say 5th step is order enter booking simultaneously it went. Or 6th also same booking. 7th step here. After booking, what could be the state? Next step, pick release. After pick release, correct. Shipping to where? M1, right? Correct. In M1, we have to give a confirmation saying that we received it. That's called as a receipt here. Not AR receipt, it is a PO receipt. Remember, purchase order receipt. That is 9th step is the last step. It is. So booking is over. Now pick release and shipping together we can do. Do you know that how to do? There is one rule is there, right? Do you remember the rule name? Shipping standard. Then order number. Here. Correct. Auto ship it is. Okay. Pack delivery, yes. Execute now. Yeah, we did a mistake here. See, goods are not in M1, right? Goods are in a M2. Correct. It's wrong thing actually. Again, we have to do. You also may do that mistake. Remember. First change it. Okay. That is better, right? Auto ship it is taken automatically. Forget about warning errors. Warning right now. You can ignore it. So many programs submitted. You need to. In O2C, we have seen, right? All the programs, interface, trip stop, commercial. These are all. Remember, name the names. You know, right? Purpose of interface strip stop. Last time we discussed.
You can change order.
Correct. On quantity, right? What could be the status of sales order at line level right now? Ship, right? If you go to line items, awaiting shipping is already over. Now it's shipped also because we picked and shipped, right? Go to actions, additional line information, deliveries. You can see here status is shipped here. So how much quantity is shipped? These are all you can search, okay, and you can verify. And come to final step, that is, yeah. Now in M1 we have to create that. Go to purchase order. Last step only PO, okay? First step PO and last step PO in this, correct? First we created equation, right? Now it is receiving and received. So which warehouse I need to select here? M1, because in M1 we have to receive the goods, right? Seattle manufacturing and requisition number. Make a note, okay? Right, yes. Values will change, no need to remember, but at least make a note. Observe here. Supplier. I told you right in the initial phase. Who is supplier here? M2. M2 is the Boston organization. Boston is the location, okay? Then select the checkbox. Check it. That's it. No need to do anything. Observe if you want, if you have a time, just see operating unit division operations, supplier is Boston, and destination is Seattle manufacturing. This is a customer location, right? And this item description, this is the order. It's not a sales order number. Direct delivery, we are not inspecting anything. That's it. No other information. These are all designed for something else, advanced shipment notices, those kind of thing. Header. So what I did not do anything in this, correct? So simply I came here, receipts. Then I have given a requisition number here. Click on find, keep aside this, check the checkbox it, and then save. Over. Okay, I just click on save here. Check the checkbox and click on save. And this receipt number is generated. Go to record history. Here RCV shipment headers and obviously lines. Okay. So the for PO receipts, what are the tables? RCV receipt details, right? Overall 9 steps process it is. RCV and headers. RCV transactions. These are all the tables. If you want to know technically, overall 6 tables we have to combine. These 3 tables and order tables, receipt tables, all we have to combine. You can get from here Google also. IRASO, internal requisition, internal sales order, query in Oracle Labs. If you don't have a time, you can simply copy paste also because same query everywhere, right? I'll give you this notes, around 11 pages notes is there, okay? Oh my God, why this much lengthy? I'll take another query, okay? Perfect, this is better. Majority of the cases, you may face question here, join between order management and purchase order. I'll show you now. What should I change here? Order number only I need to change. I don't know who has developed, but the same I'm using for my explanation, okay? You also, you can use the same in your company. Not this. Order number, not noted down.
No, sir. Order.
Where it is?
No, sir. In columns.
You're told
Order number.
this one, right?
Dot. 204. Yes.
This one. This is ARG ID.
Order numbers.
Order source. No, it's not there. This is old query, okay? So what I will do, I'll take it, not a problem. I can query with this ORIGC document reference also. This is the one. Better don't miss this. Okay, go to query.
Take.
Anything else? Shipped quantity is 0. Organization is ours is 20. Different. Ours is different. Okay. Comment this. Check what went wrong. OH. Any views in this? Yeah, it's a view. View does not hold data, right? Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll get from our query only. Why to unnecessarily waste our time? These are notes. You need to practice notes, okay? Do not spend time while listening video again. Just 8 pages notes. There's a query. Straight away you can copy and paste it, okay? I'm removing this, okay? 70448. Okay, this is a requisition number, right?
1646.
Yes. These are all the values. You verify this is a requisition number, segment 1, and this is a sales order number, and this is a receipt number, correct or not, also we have to check. 238 to 829. Is that correct? So this is the way. So this query, now if someone asks you what is the link between order management and purchase order? Quickly, you need to remember this. This one. OOL, can you guess what will be the table? Right, same. We are talking about only. OE, order lines table. And in this source document ID is the join condition. And PORH, can you guess what will be the table name? Requisition, correct? Yes. And this is the lines table. Okay. These are all the tables. No need to see the entire query. If someone asks you what is the join between PO, requisition and sales order, you have to tell this. Definitely you'll face this question. Okay. So my explanation is over for today. O2C is over here. Then tomorrow I'll start another flow. Okay. Go through this. It may take whole day, I know that, but you have to revise minimum 2-3 times. Stop watching video again. I'll send you video anyway. Whatever the notes is there, no, go through notes. For item creation, why to watch video again? For on-hand quantity creation, why to watch video again? Just go through this navigation. Okay. Video anyway, I'm going to send you. But you people are wasting time. That's what my worry. Clear cut notes is there here. Very clear cut. Just go here simply. And navigations, everything is there. Put your notes into server. See, if you are not able to copy into the server, there is one setup is required here. Show options, local resources, then more tab here. This drives checkbox you have to enable. So you can move here and there files. Clear? Any doubts, guys? Online? Voice వినపట్లేదా? Dhanlakshmi, you are not able to hear?
Yes, sir, now audible. In between, just 2 to 3 minutes, is not audible.
Okay.
Otherwise, okay.
Okay, just see the video. If not, I'll share the previous batch video. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. I'm
Thank you.
closing the session. Is that okay? Any doubts?
No, sir.